Are some views more important than others? Hey guys, Asupanda here at Asupanda Media back again. I hope you guys are doing well. So, why did I say that? Are all views on your videos not equal? Well, let me explain. See, once you've made a video and you've uploaded it. Now, once you've uploaded it, there are two things that you will do, right? One is there will be a passive reach and one would be an active. What do I mean by active? See, you made a video, now you have a link that you can paste it on your WhatsApp status, on your social media platforms such as Instagram, stories, on your Facebook, your LinkedIn, wherever you choose to. That is basically you're trying to actively promote. You can also run Google ads, so on and so forth, where you're basically actively trying to promote your content. But once you've uploaded your content, what happens is that YouTube will now place this content in front of course, your subscribers and on browse pages of those viewers who YouTube thinks will want to watch your content. And how does YouTube do that? Now, there's a very interesting thing. See, we all used to talk about algorithm. Now, there seems to be something which is there actively telling the algorithm rather than passively programming it. What has happened is that YouTube has now integrated Gemini into an AI, that is Gemini, into the YouTube platform. Now, what that does is it is able to now transcribe your videos. Now, once the transcription is there, that gives a better understanding to YouTube as a platform who would be the perfect audience for a video, right? Now, in case you've probably sent a link to a friend who probably out of the courtesy watches your video for say 30 seconds to a minute, but is really not interested in the content that you're making, this will actually affect you because the engagement there is far less than what you're expecting. Versus YouTube actually finds the right person who would probably watch your entire video and much more videos of your channel. So now I hope I'm making myself clear where certain views would have more of an impact than certain other views. So what I would suggest is that before you before you just blast your link once you have uploaded a video, give YouTube a chance, give YouTube an opportunity to place your video. Of course, I'm not saying that you should not solicit from people who are watching your videos to subscribing, so on and so forth. That you should obviously do. But you should give YouTube a chance to transcribe your video and place it in front of people who would want to watch your video. Of course, this still does not say that, you do not need a thumbnail, you do not need a good title and description. Probably you shouldn't use hashtags as much or tags as much. But then again, you should definitely look into using description, good titles, and yes, give the YouTube algorithm a chance to showcase your content in front of people who would really like to watch it. I hope it makes sense to you. I hope what I've said, you can hit the like button for that. Give me a like, come on. Anyways, and in case what your thoughts are on how YouTube is evolving in today's world, in AI's world, and how it might evolve in future, please do mention your thoughts in comment section. All I can say now is, please subscribe. Help our small channel grow as well. It's absolutely free for you, but it helps us grow, right? In the end, thanks for watching. Keep watching. Until next time, Oshi Kimti, Tawa.